Hi, welcome to Target Academy. Are you searching for a professional course which can be completed in less than 1 year? So, are you searching for a best international course in commerce field? So, here are the course for you, CMA USA. In this video, we are going to discuss what is CMA USA and details of CMA USA and where the coaching is available. So, let's start the video. Hi, my name is Praveen. I am the co-founder of Target Academy. So, in this video, we are going to discuss regarding CMA USA. You all know in India, the professional courses in the commerce field is CA, Chartered Accountancy, CMA, Cost and Management Accountancy, CS, Company Secretary. So everybody know these courses. Most of the people who are doing professional courses in commerce field, they know these courses, CA, CMA, CS. But apart from these Indian courses, they are also most important and tremendously growing international courses. They are CMA US, CPA, ACCA, or CFA. These are the courses. They are very popular apart from the not only in India, entire the globe. So generally, most of the people in India, most of the students in India don't know about these courses, lack of because of the lack of awareness. But companies are hiring in India. Companies are hiring CMAs, CMAs, and ACCA candidates, and also CPA candidates. So you can inquire. So equal to the CA and CMA in India, they are also hiring these international qualified students. So one question. So why I will do this? Why I will do this CMA international courses? What is the advantage of doing this CMA US international course? So I have already CA and CMA Indian courses are there. So why I have to choose this CMA US? I just compare this course. So after introducing this course, CMA is a certified management accountant. It's offered by IMA Institute. So IMA Institute is registered in USA. Even though it is registered in USA, it has a branches in 140 countries. In India, it has a branch also. So in India, it has a branch. And also, so the exams are conducted in India. In past 3 years back, exams are not conducted in India. So, but now exams are conducted in India. That's why this course is very attractive and tremendously growing in India. Next thing, CMA is a professional certificate. You can get the job very easily. It is equal to CA, right? So next one, the duration of the course is 6 to 9 months. You can complete CMA USA in 6 to 9 months, right? At the same time, there are only two papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2. So Paper 1 syllabus is accounts and costing, and Paper 2 syllabus is FM financial management. So Paper 1 and Paper 2 each have a 500 marks and 4 hours exam duration. They are MCQ pattern, 75% and 25% theory. So mostly MCQ pattern, no negative marks, and easy to complete, right? So I just compare the CA India and CMA USA. If you choose CA India, it will take 5 years, minimum 5 years to complete. So if you complete in the first attempt in all stages, or if you have not completed, it will take more years also. And also, but CMA will take only 6 to 9 months. In CA, you have to qualify 18 papers in all stages. All stages combinedly 18 papers. If you fail in one paper, you need to write entire group once again. Even though you pass the papers, 3 papers, and you fail in one paper, you need to write entire papers again. But in CMA USA, there are only 2 papers. You can write each paper separately, and also in MCQ pattern. Okay, right? In CMA USA, the pass percentage is very high because it is an international course. Nobody will restrict the percentage. But in CA, the pass percentage is only 5 to 10%. So because it is a very difficult exam, so there is no guarantee of pass and settlement of life. Okay, it's the most difficult exam CA is. But CMA USA is not that much difficult. And they have a global recognition. It have no global recognition. It is only national course, but it has a craze. CA has a craze, obviously. Placements, yes, you have a placements, MNC placements in MNC companies abroad, and also placements in abroad placements in MNC companies, and globally recognition is there. So these are the companies who hire CMA USAs, IBM, Amazon, Tata, and these are all the companies who hire the CMA USA in their companies. At the same time, sir, exams. So apart from CA, actually for CA there are twice exams are half yearly, but in CMA USA exams will be conducted in quarterly manner, and they are on demand exams, because in that window, for example January February window, you're going to write exam. So you can order, so you can select the exam date for that particular window. You can select the exam date for the exam. You can write paper 1 separately, paper 2 separately. But in CA it is not like that. You have to write according to the schedule as by ICAI, right? So this is the greatest advantage. So this is one of the thing which increases the pass percentage. Okay, next, You need to get a 360 marks out of 500. It's a very easy task because they are MCQs and they are we train the people, actually we train the students to get the 360 marks, or all students are qualified. Next one. So nature of the course is objective pattern, no mugging up, and conceptual and easy and logical. Eligibility. So any degree student can join. So you no need to complete a degree. If you are studying degree or if you are just joined the degree, you are eligible to do CMA USA and you are eligible to write the CMA USA exam. So where the coaching will be available? So in Target Academy, the coaching is very beautiful, and I am from Target Academy. So the coaching will be in English to English and English Telugu regional language also. So if you take the coaching in Target Academy, so we provide the detailed coaching. Just I will once I will explain how Target Academy operates. It will provide the detailed classes, both offline and online classes. Even though this link, this is the classroom actually. So while I am teaching, this link will be given to you in the Zoom app. So you can attend the classroom from your home itself, from your house itself. So or you can come the physical batch also. So at the same time that if you have missed the class, we will provide the recordings of the classes of your batch, and that recordings are lifetime access. So you can watch any number of times until you qualify, right? So and we have a better experiential faculty. And next, color material. So we have a color material, and the material is very important for qualifying the course. That's why we prepared the charts and color material and easy tips to remember the topic, and some of the shortcuts to remember the topic, and some of the shortcuts to answer MCQs also. So this is a very beautiful colored material, charts material, booster material, and MCQ material. And also we conduct exams because exams are very important to qualify the course. We conduct weekend exams during the coaching. We conduct revision exams after completion of coaching, and mock tests just before the exam. That's why all our students are very comfortable in examination hall and they are qualifying. Right? We have a academic membership, and we have also so MCQs. We have a separate software. We have separate software for MCQs, LMS software, and that software is most similar to the main exam software. That's why you can feel comfortable. So because you are already practicing in that software, right? The exams are online exams. Your center-based online exams. Center-based online exams. You have to write exams by going to the center in the computer. You have to mark the MCQs, ABC. There is no negative marking. You can pass easily by proper coaching. Target Academy. The coaching in Target Academy is very fantabulous and also very detailed manner. So believe me, this is the best place to learn CMA USA, right? So admissions are open, and also apart from this coaching, we also providing free training for SAP free training for CMA USA students. Even if you take the SAP training in outside, you have to spend 15 to 20,000. So we are providing at free of cost, and also we are providing interview skills and technical skills for free. The technical skills like Tally, MS Office, GST returns, IT returns, all training will be provided free if you have joined CMA USA and Target Academy. So if you take all these courses in outside, you need to spend 20 to 25,000. Okay. Yes. So why CMA USA now? So every global things are changing and scenario got changed, and there is an increase in unemployment in youth. That's why you need to take a new path, new different path to got selected for the employment. So this is the best course for you. So right. So for CA and you are already doing CA. This is the best course. This is the best backup course. Imagine if your profile has an international qualification, then it will fetch you more. It will fetch you more, definitely. Or if you are planning to drop off the CA or convert into another course, it is the best course to be taken. So because it is a very easy to qualify, and also short in the less time, and it will save the time and the money also, right? So at the same time, this is not the new path. This is the new successful path. If you are going in a routine path, there is no guarantee of making or getting the results of your same efforts. You will get the less results for the more efforts because you are choosing the path which is adopted by more number of people. The competition will be high. But if you are going the new different path which is a successful path, then you will get the better results for your efforts. Okay, so that's why. So admissions are open. Why Target Academy? We have a live classes, and we have a offline batch and online batch, and we have recorded classes for lifetime access, and also sure success dots clarification student in each and individual student's focus. Admissions are open for the batch. Please register for this batch, and for more details contact this number, right? So that's all for this video. Bye.